Filling out procedures is crucial for ensuring consistency, compliance, and safety in task execution. If a work order has at least one procedure attached to it, we'll see a Start Procedure button under the procedure title. Tap the button to begin filling out the procedure. We'll fill in each field as we complete the steps of the procedure. Some steps may prompt us to upload a photo with our camera or to input a signature. Any fields that require an input in order to complete the procedure are denoted with a red asterisk. Once we have gone through each step of the procedure, we can tap Mark as Done. We will be notified if there are blank fields on the procedure. We can select Take Me There to jump to the first unfilled field in the procedure. If we leave any required fields blank, we will be forced to fill them out before we are able to mark the procedure as done. Once all procedures on a work order are marked as done, the status of the work order will also change to Done.